Hi there. Welcome to the RevOps and Enablement YouTube channel. In today's complex business landscape, developing cross-functional capabilities has become more important than ever. The ability to work effectively across different departments and functions can lead to enhanced collaboration, innovation, and overall organizational success. Cross-functional capabilities are crucial in breaking down silos and fostering a culture of collaboration within an organization. They enable employees to understand different perspectives, work seamlessly with diverse teams, and they contribute to the achievement of common goals. So in this video, we'll explore some best practices and ways in which you can develop cross-functional competencies along with techniques and examples. The first one is to encourage rotational assignments. Look to get your teams working together and get employees to take on rotational assignments. Allowing employees to temporarily work in different departments or functions exposes them to new challenges, perspectives, and skills. It helps broaden their understanding of the organization as a whole, and it enables them to develop a holistic view of how different functions interact. Number two is cross-functional training and workshops. Having sessions with teams across different departments is a great way of them sharing best practices and learning about each other's roles and the different skills that need to be acquired in those roles. Things such as lunch and learns are a really great example of where team members can come together from diverse backgrounds and functions and share those ideas and best practices. It can help them better understand the different challenges and the workflows that certain teams are experiencing. And then it can improve the communication between those different teams. Next one is foster cross-functional projects, bringing together diverse expertise and perspectives. It's encouraging employees again to collaborate and leverage each other's different skills and strengths that they can bring to the party. These projects create a great platform for employees to apply their skills in new contexts and develop a broader understanding of the different organization goals. So working on a cross-functional project can be a great experience for a team member. It can allow them to see how different work aligns with the wider organizational strategy and how different departments contribute to that shared goal. And it can also help those individuals develop strong relationships with colleagues who perhaps they don't work with on a regular basis. That's going to cement that communication and engagement with each other longer term. Next one is foster a culture of open communication. It's something I think a lot of organizations struggle with, is the different ways of communication. There's so many different channels and methods to communicate. But if you can encourage employees to share ideas and opinions and challenges across different functions, you're going to set them up for success. So break down any barriers that hinder communications, such as hierarchies or outdated processes that you've got in your business. And look at the tools that you can use and implement into your business that can facilitate seamless information sharing and foster transparency across the organization. When there's open communication, it becomes easier to exchange knowledge, seek help, and collaborate effectively. It promotes a sense of shared purpose, and it enables individuals to leverage each other's expertise for the benefit of the organization. So developing cross-functional capabilities and competencies is a journey that requires commitment. It needs open-mindedness and willingness to break down silos in your business. By encouraging rotational assignments, facilitating cross-functional training, or fostering those cross-functional projects, your organization can unlock the full potential of the people, and it can drive innovation and success. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget, you can also follow us on LinkedIn. Many thanks.